Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you if your Wi-Fi network connected on your laptop or computer but your internet connection is not working. Today I will show you how to fix it. Most of laptop users face these types of problem. Okay, let's see how we can fix it. You can see here my Wi-Fi is already connected. If I go to my Chrome and open YouTube, now you can see here my network is not working. If this problem is also happened to you, at first go to your settings. Okay, then click on network and internet. Scroll down and click on advanced network. Again scroll down and then click on more network adapter. Maybe in your Windows your settings is different, so you have to find out more network adapter option in your computer. Then click on more network adapter and now you will find Wi-Fi option, Ethernet option and VMware option. Here you just click right button on Wi-Fi option and check it. If it is not enable it. Okay, then go to properties, then click on internet protocol version 4. Click on properties. Here in the below, select the second option, use the following DNS server address and type in preferred DNS server 1, 1, 1 and 1, and in alternate DNS server type here 8, 8, 8 and 8. Then click on OK, then close, minimize it and reload your Chrome. You can see now it's working properly. Friend, if this method is not working for you, I will show you another method. Type in your laptop search box run, RUN, then click on run and then type here ipconfig//DNS and then click on OK. It will be also fix your problem. If this method also not working for you, search here device manager and click on device manager and then find out here network adapter option and double click on network adapter option, then search here Wi-Fi adapter. If you're not sure in here which option is your Wi-Fi adapter, then make sure search here view network connection. And here you can see Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201. It's my Wi-Fi adapter name. Okay, here you can see Intel R Wi-Fi 6 AX201. Right click on this option and then click on update driver. And here click on search automatically for drivers. It will be also fix your problem. If this method is not working for you, I'll show you last method for you. Search here CMD and click on command prompt and type here net sh win sock reset and enter. It will be reset your network. I hope your problem will be fixed. If you any other problems related computer or Android, please write here in the below comment option. I will be make video on your problems. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video.